Good fucking morning, y'all. What's going on? Can everybody hear me? Happy new fucking week. I will not be having a fucking guest on my stream today. He got sick, man. I guess Florida water just destroyed my boy. So, you know what? As a matter of fact, let me ask him if he still wants to come over. He's very close to us. Good morning, y'all. Jaime, Teresa, Chris, the mystery. What's up, y'all? I'm fucking loaded up, and we're full risk on today. So, y'all better get ready. I want to get right into this breakdown just because I haven't hopped on the charts yet. So give me a second. Let's hop right into this and make some. Yo, Uncle E, what's up, Jose? I just sent you a very short, abrupt, and to the fucking point message, my brother. No risk, no Rari, my man. You gotta risk it for the biscuit. Gotta risk it for the biscuit, bro. You're doing all right. You're doing well on a lower account, but you said it's getting boring and shit. Well, make it fucking fun again, bro. Just don't trade outside of your plan. Give me a second here, yeah. What's good, Legend Matrix God? What's up, G? All right, y'all. Let's get into this real quick. So 4 hour time frame on Nas 100. Even though all we see is bearish momentum and lower highs and lower lows being created, then you go to lower time frames and lower highs and lower lows are being created. All we're going to do today is buy against all of that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm extremely bearish, obviously, and anybody who wants to buy against this, I'm with you. I actually think that we're going to get a nasty fucking correction for this entire week, not just today, and then we're going to continue on next week with the continued push. I mean, we have this entire impulsive leg. Not saying that we can't continue further, bro. Like we're definitely extremely bearish, but we've already created our disgusting impulsive leg, and I definitely expect price to get some kickback from this point. So, understanding that, what we usually like to do is find some type of base as to like where price is going to reverse from, and then to take a trade based off of that. But we have bled past all higher time frame support, bro. I mean, price is absolutely fucking tanking. So, as long as we sit below this level, it's going to be a little tough for me to look for any type of buys, but nonetheless, I still expect a big correction. So going down to lower time frames, look at what happened, bro. Opening week or opening candle, mega, um, 360 point fucking gap to open up the market. So as most of my students know, and I'll tell you new people too, all gaps within the market are always going to be filled. Obviously, we don't know at what point, but they tend to get filled, and they tend to get filled within pretty rapid nature, depending on what time frame it's in. So um, obviously, or at least in my opinion, price is going to come up and fill this gap. I think it's going to happen today, but definitely within the next couple days. And then once we get up to this point here, then all we're going to do is just reassess what the hell we're going to be doing. You know, once price pushes up here, is price definitely going to push lower in the direction, or we are going to start to push higher? And if we do, and start to gain some type of structure here, I'm telling you, bro, for the rest of the week, I'm just going to expect price to come up here to this 18,400 level. Now, when we go to lower time frames, you know, we'll have some type of support resistance to kind of carry us up there, and obviously using volume and breakouts to get us up there. But this is just kind of the bias of higher time frames of what I expect to happen today. Okay, so going down to a 5 minute time frame. How can I adapt later on, bro? So going down to lower time frames, let's kind of see what happened. Lower time frames, we're kind of pushing up to this area. Really haven't created much as far as any type of structure, bro. We just violated previous session highs, which is sitting right here. We showed no kickback as soon as you broke above those highs. Like I said, it just really feels like um, direction has already been picked for the day. So nonetheless, if we can break above these highs, we got like a little 100 point range. We can at least get our 50 points before putting stops to break even, and then we'll move on from that point. As far as any type of sell off, we already have one tap 2 taps, 3 taps, and coming into our 4th tap of this trend line sitting right here too. So if we start to break below these lows during session open, I'm good to continue on in the direction of trend. I just have an assumption that price is going to continue higher today. So we'll see what happens. This fucking ATR is out of this world. Like, we're going to be getting a little we're going to manipulate our stop loss just a bit this week to compensate for all the volume that we expect for this week. Okay, and I'll explain this for a second. So pretty much like fucking September, October last year, I've only been trading with a 25, 30 point stop loss with the US 30 and NAS. And because of all this volume, shit has been forcing me to trade with a 50 point stop loss because the ATR is so high. For anybody who doesn't know what the ATR is, just the average true range over a set period of time. So mine is the last 20 candles. Over the last 20 candles, every last 5-minute candle is printing 83 fucking points. When usually before session open, it's printing between like 20 to 50 points usually per 20 candles. I hope this is making sense to you guys. Let me know if it is. A little advanced for some of you. And so coming into this session, I'm not going to use a 50 point stop loss, bro. It's straight gambling. Some of your guys' journals I go through, it's incredible to me when I like, you guys will pop up, because a lot of you guys know me and my 25 point stop loss. And so I'll go through some of my students' journals and it'll be like this. And bro will get mad because he got taken out. I'm like, bro, in what world do we think that this is okay trade that's going to play out? When every last one of these candles is fucking printing 100+ points, you know? These things just don't make sense. We're not allowing for our trade to breathe. And so as far as today goes, I don't want to open us all the way up to 100 point stop. I mean, that's so fucking fat, bro. We're asking 300 point moves every day now. But anywhere between like 80 to 90 points is kind of where we're going to be sitting at, expecting price to continue lower, whatever the case may be. So this is kind of where I'm at as far as sales go. As far as the buy up, I mean, we might get a little risky here, man, just because I really kind of playing off of a bit of intuition here too. But we may get a little privy to buys. It is going to have to be all the way the fuck up here, and so we'll just have to see, bro. I'm not entertaining it yet. And then going into US 30, let's see what we got going on, man. My God. Okay, so same exact shit. Let's run through all. Let's see what this area is first. Is this a daily zone? Wow. We are now sitting in the only daily support that I have in this entire, I mean, this is it. This is the last support I have to go mark out new levels that I haven't marked out all fucking year, you know, because we're dumping so much, which is pretty incredible. Nonetheless, sitting at this hourly support resistance. So every time we come up and visit this area, we're getting mega 8K moves away from this area, 2,500 point move away from this area, 7,500 point move away from this area. Mega moves happen at this area. And so two things could happen. Now that we're tapping into here, we could potentially just get a ton of consolidation on lower time frames while we figure out, are we going to continue onwards beyond this level, lower? And if we do, holy shit, the Dow is in trouble. Or are we going to continue to hold here, which is what I think is going to happen, and ultimately start pushing up. Okay, so as long as we're sitting at this support all day long, really kind of only looking for buys, not going to entertain sales, at least in this area. And let's go see how we can participate in that shit. So what I always do is go back and look at previous session highs and lows. Same thing with NAS. We've already violated London highs. We're already continuing to push within that direction. Buys, bro, I'm telling you. Okay, so let's add it up. We got a range to break out of up here. Going to be a little risky just because you guys know what happens. Usually we have a lot of liquidity sitting up here in multiple areas. When we push above, not saying that it's not going to directly just push in that direction, but a lot of times we got a lot of orders sitting up here because there's so much liquidity. We get a little kickback and push higher. Not to be of concern with us because we're volume traders during session open, so I'll take this bitch, but we might get swept there and have to re-enter. Just, you know, vibe with me. So this is the trade. This is my ultimate setup of what I take. Very simple, based off a higher time frame support. My analysis of where I think price is going to go. Look at this ATR. Normal ATR within the markets. Like, I know my students understand this shit. I don't think you guys understand how much fucking volume is in the markets today. This shit's crazy, yo. What a time to be alive. I don't think I've ever seen this volatile of markets as far as the ATR reaching this level, you know. And think about it. Like, not only is HCR this fat right now as much as far as volume goes, we're sitting in a range, bro. Imagine when we start trending. Like, where is all this volume coming from? So, um, as far as our stop loss today, I mean, look at my normal stop loss. So just see that shit over time. 50. This is 50 points, bro. That shit's crazy, yeah. So, anyways, this is expert markets. And thank God that you guys have an expert to guide you through all of them, because it can be very intense for people who have strict set stop losses, and don't understand different periods of volume and are trying to execute 25, 50 point stop losses in this environment. Like, people are getting fucking wrecked. So, anyways, let me, I'm going to send this link out to everybody. Let me know, put a one in the chat or something. You guys are on the same page. You understand what I'm looking at. Let me know if there's something you want me to look at. And let's make some fucking money. We got 15 minutes until session open. Yeah, you guys have the whole ideology as to what I'm looking for this week, so I better see people making some yaper. Just one more question. Do you think tariff news will cool down my data for 2023-24? It says that for NAS 100, if there's a 100-point move pre-session randomly, usually it's to a low RR day or losing day. Yeah, that's situational on volume, brother. It's not more so when there's a 100-point move. It's more so when there's a massive move right before session open. A lot of times, you'll get a consolidation before a continuance during PM session, you know? But if every move is 100 points, obviously, without even asking me, just putting your own brain into it for a second, obviously, that would not be the case here. We're just simply in a different market. So how many Apex contracts? 4? How big of a move? How big of a count you got, bro? I always have to adapt, bro. The foundation remains the same, but if it's like, if the market has double the amount of volume than it usually has, what do you think you should do with your stop loss? You know, just shot in the dark here. What do you think you should do with your stop loss? Check gold. It might be a good day to buy too. I'll check out gold for y'all, but I'm not trading nothing but what I trade, my brother. 4-hour time frame on gold. Oof. This is what I see on 4-hour time frame, brother. So we just swept these lows sitting right here. More often than not, when we sweep these lows, that doesn't necessarily mean to break a structure, as most people see and get trapped in these sells right here. It could just be a grab. Imagine how many stop losses from all these swing traders are buying up here. Imagine how many stop losses are sitting down here. And that's why as soon as we fucking broke below these levels, we immediately pushed back within the range. And so now if we break beyond, cool. I expect price to continue lower for the week. But if we continue to hold this low, bro, same shit as you. I would expect price to continue higher and start pushing. And look what we have here too. You got a bread and butter setup. Price is already broken above London highs and pushed back within the range. We broke above London highs right here and then pushed back within the range. So more often than not, if price pushes back beyond that newfound high, which is called my bread and butter setup, it's going to continue on within that direction. All right, y'all got me out here deep in. Let me send this link out real quick, man, so we can make this, so we can make it happen. How was y'all's weekend? Everybody good? Chilling? How many points stop loss on NAS and US 30? 80 point stop loss on NAS. Probably 100 point stop loss on US 30. Share, copy link. As far as everybody in VIP, I'm going to be sending you guys the Zoom link now, so there's no lag. If you guys don't want any lag during these lives, and you want my trades every fucking day instead of every other day, link is in the description. It's less than $2 a day, bro. So I don't think there's any discount out right now. Shit. Boom. All right, VIP, y'all next. Gold don't perform good in a recession market. Interesting that it's following along with indices too. Isn't that kind of weird? I've been trading contracts for like a month, so I don't know. What do you mean you've been trading contract? What do you mean? Oh, you're just saying you don't understand how to calculate? Bro, my man, Steve Owen, sometimes, man, sometimes you got me wondering all the time, bro, if you ever know what Google is or ChatGPT or anything to any fucking degree. Let's see what I just did. Contract calculator on google.com. You pop up here, holy shit, it's there. You put in your prices, you put in your what you're trying to trade, and it'll tell you the exact contracts that you're trying to trade. Hella simple, my brother. I try to use it, but all right, let's walk through it together, bro. Entry price is 15,550, let's just say. We'll go on to whatever, bro. IM 39,525. So let's say you wanted a 25-point stop loss, it would be 39,500. And then you want a 1 to 3 whatever, none of that shit matters. Okay, so one contract using a 25-point stop loss, right? Because from 500 to 525 is a 25-point stop loss. Using one contract, you would be risking $125 per trade, per contract. Two contracts, $250 per contract using a 25-point stop loss, so on and so forth. Keep up with the times, my brother. This is simple. These are very simple things for you, for sure. You've been trading way too long, G. Good morning, broski. God bless. Good morning, player. Welcome to the stream, my man. Welcome to the stream, everybody in VIP. Bring your ass over here to the real deal Holyfield. We live. Bam. Those are the pairs I'm looking at. Yeah, all right, anyways. We got 8 minutes till session open here, so won't be calling. Ah, I'm so sad I couldn't get my boy on here today. If you're in here, bro, say something. I'm fucking sad. We had a good weekend, though. We had tons of fucking fun. I mean, the renovations continue and such, but if my boy's in town, I could leave the house for a little bit, for sure. There's no, like, people in my house when we got, like, just a lot of guns and all that shit. It's not smart. And for anybody who's about to ask, you don't lock up all your guns and shit? No, I don't lock up all my guns, but I don't have kids, you know? My guns are locked up in each individual room, just not with a lock. Sensei, is that you? Nah, bro, I don't know. That's me, brother. What's up, man? Would you recommend me trade if I don't have recent data for big moves? Are you comfortable trading when you don't have data on what you're doing? That would be a question for yourself, my brother. It's not a question for me. Yeah, so anyways, 100-point stop loss for... What's up, Hugo? I see you over there playing. I don't know, bro. That is just so much fucking volume, to be honest with you. That is so much volume. Y'all just gonna have to vibe with me, bro. For some reason, I can't fathom me using 150-point stop loss. You know what I'm saying? That's really where I'm at right now. I just can't fathom using 150-point stop loss. That's fucking crazy to me. It's still ATR is still higher than that, so that's not. This is pre-market ATR. So once market opens up, we're gonna be hitting like 170 to 200. Fucking, it's crazy. This is one of the craziest days within the market. So we're gonna have to follow it up with really being one of the craziest with our results. So let's make it happen. We got 6 minutes till session open here, y'all. As always, NAS is going to be on the left and US 30 is going to be on the right. Out of this world, bro. Out of this world. You have gold on there. No, we're good. How will backtesting help you when it doesn't stimulate real market emotions and discipline? Because we don't make money based off of emotions. We make money based off of a system. And while you are backtesting, oh, it's going to break the silver right now. You can absolutely backtest the system, but you're right, you can't backtest emotions. And so when you're back testing, if what makes you money is the system, then when you go actually do it within the markets, understand that's what actually makes money, is what you back tested. And so even though it's really tough once you go into real market conditions, because obviously you're introducing emotions into it now, understand that's not what you play off of. That's not what you studied. They're going to be there. It's like in a hippie ass way, because I'm a hippie dude. It's like meditating. Those thoughts are there, but you can't pay attention to them. Just allow them to be. Seriously though, but yes, back testing could be could give you a ton of confidence based off of your system. So even though you have emotions while you're trading and such over the course of time, those will start to be alleviated because you have data based off of your system. All confidence comes from data. Your course is really good. Nobody talks about liquidity like you do. Good shit. Much love, my brother. Appreciate that. We did shit, man. We just getting started with you. You have no idea, bro. 4 minutes till session open. We just violated my sell-off level here. Hopefully we can get just some type of hold, because we're now kind of starting to break past 5 minutes structure. Really just kind of want some support to form, and then we can take it lower. As far as the buy up, we're starting to get really far away from that buy level. Like, damn, bro. Like 320 points away from it. Sheesh, man, liquidity talks always help me be consistent. Yeah, I got you. I don't think anybody explains liquidity quite like I do. Not in a fucking fluffing myself way, just breaking it down to you guys as far as where people's stop losses are sitting, why the market is trying to target them, and what usually happens once we get to those points. Only two things can happen. Like, we all have the same concepts of area of interest for the most part. All traders I've met, we all have areas of interest. It could be supply and demand. It could be support and resistance. It could be a gap. It could be liquidity sitting at a higher low. We're all waiting for an area of interest and then making a decision based upon what happens at that area. So you guys don't even have to be that good of traders as far as like price action and shit go and flowing. But if you can get good at these areas of interest, which is just simply in the past, these areas yield some crazy fucking reactions. There's only two things that could happen from these points. I mean, obviously with any point in the market, but once we get down to these levels, if we start to reject, great, push it on the opposite way. If we continue to just push right past it, and then we start to get a rejection once we revisit it, great, push it the next way. There's multiple different confluences we have in these areas of interest. Like, we can add a trend line, we can add support and resistance, and our biggest confluence, which is volume, just trading during session open, to make these trades way higher probability, I guess. But at the end of the day, we're just doing the same shit. Where's our area of interest? What's happening at the area of interest? How can we execute based off of that? I just think trading easy as fuck, bro. It's about time, I said. I'll be right back. I gotta get some water. Yo, give me a sec. I'm back. All right, market's open, y'all. Let's see what we can do. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're gonna focus up on. No, I'm gonna keep them both up for a second. We're close to entry on US 30. It only has to travel up 540 points, and then we'll be getting into buys here, guys. So get ready. And our trade from Friday played out after we got out. Nice. Coach, just to be clear, from what point on pre-session would I see to where if there was a big move pre-session? At what point on pre-session would I see if there was a big move pre-session? Just pre-session, bro. Pre-session for me is 2 hours before session. Within 2 hours of before session. All right, so we're now starting to get that kickback here on fucking NAS. So if we can just get any type of rejection here, some type of support. I don't care if it comes up and taps this area we just broke out of, comes up to the trend line, whatever. We can take the sell-off. You know, let's see. But we sure as shit won't just be hopping on this wave here. We'll give it a second here. What a time to be alive, bro. Who's hopping in with afternoon session with me too? We going crazy all week, bro. I think. Let me see. I got. Yeah. We going crazy all week, bro. We going crazy all week, bro. You know what time it is. We're full risk. AM sessions. Still half risk PM sessions. They're still half risk sections. We'll just put it that way. Appreciate all 60 of you guys showing up. We hit our biggest stream ever on Friday, and in turn, that got 2 people lifetime access to ZenLab VIP, which is pretty fucking cool. So make sure you guys are tuned for all these giveaways and education. And one thing's for sure and 2 things for certain. If I hop on this fucking camera, somebody's learning something. and number 2, somebody's making something. Unless they go against my trades. That wheel screwed me. Yeah, brutal, bro. I have a question for you. When you watch it, go past your name and then hit his name. Did you rewatch it again just to make sure that it was true? Yeah, we got nothing going on here as far as I would not take the break below these lows. Too far away from where current price is at, if anybody's wondering. We just got to wait for new structure, bro. Wait for new structure. Way too much volume to take these little minor ass breakouts over here and shit. Look at that though. Since market has opened up, this is only a 5-minute candle. Doesn't even look like movement really. That's a 180 point move right there. Just letting you know. I pre-jumped in excitement 5 times, bro. That's so disrespectful. That's so disrespectful. I've never given lifetime access to my group before, bro. It was the first time ever, which is pretty funny because I've had it open for like 3 years. I took I shut it down for like a year or some shit. I was just tired of calling signals every day, but I just that was the first time I've ever done it, bro. So maybe we'll do it again. We'll see. I can't fathom, you know, a lot of my boys back in the day used to do it as a nice little marketing tactic to get you guys to like participate in announcements and such, was to do lifetime. I can't for the life of me fathom giving somebody anything that I do for lifetime, bro. Like that's fucking nuts. Especially how much love and shit I put into all this, you know, that shit's crazy to me, but whatever, man. 2 people got it. Y'all better turn into fucking beasts, man. You need some help, I got you. For sure. Make sure you guys like the stream, yo. All right, let's go into this poll. We got 45 votes in this poll. Crazy. 51% say NAS and 49% say US 30, which just means that it's a complete tie. The only reason that NAS is winning is because it's the first option, you know? Like if I were to put up US 30 and NAS first, it would still be tied, but I bet you it would be US 30 52 to 48. It's just human psychology. That's very interesting to me though. I'm about to put up another vote because I actually really want to know the answer to this. So make sure you guys, if you had to pick, what would it be? Boom. All right, let me know on this shit. Would you rather trade NAS 100 and US 30 or gold? For some reason, I think it's gonna be Nas 100 and US 30 are going to win, but I know all you guys in fucking gold, bro. It's crazy. So let me know. I just put up the poll, so let me know. All right, so we have 11 votes, and damn, never mind. I'm damn. Okay, so I got indices crowd for sure, for sure. Yeah, we got 15 votes in, and now it's 80-20. Yeah, interesting. Wow. All right, well, never trading gold on this channel. You dig? Wow, this is incredible. I'm a Nas girl. Whoa, chill, yo. You forgot two letters in there. Whoa, chill. I'm about to make a, give me a sec, yo. You got jokes. I hate that you said, my girl listens to this song that I fucking hate, yo. It's like, and a nasty girl, something, 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 I'm a nasty girl. Now it's just stuck in my fucking head, yo. Took me a sec to get that joke, yeah. It's all good. The person who needed to get it got it. Yeah, it's boring, bro. This is crazy to me, bro. Honestly. All we're waiting for is some type of reaction. And now that we got to break below this level too, same exact thing we were speaking about with Nas. I need some type of base to form. I'm not going to take a break all the way below these lows here. There's no way in hell. And if we would have here with this break, oh, I guess it didn't quite break. We would have been okay. But it's not worth it, bro. We need some type of structure to play off of. You know? Y'all wait for these buys, I'm telling you right now. Tina Shea has been my celebrity crush since 2015, dog. Don't play with my girl. Tina Shea. She's a light skinned girl, right? I mean, clearly I like light skinned girls, bro. I've been with one for. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She's pretty, bro. That's who sings that song? Oh, yeah. She's hella pretty, bro. This is me all day long. She kind of looks like my girl, bro. Still wrong. She's just because she light skinned. I mean, where are you from? I'm from New York, yo. How many? We got 52. Appreciate y'all, yo. I'm from New York, yo. Golly, man. I'm from New York, and I was raised in Colorado. I was born in the trenches. I made it out the mud. It was a tough middle class life for me. Man, we wanted steak dinners every night, but all we got was tater tots and chicken nuggets, bro. Okay, me too. Westchester County. Westchester County. Westchester County. No, Terrace, I'm upstate, yo. Like, let me see what you're talking about. I was in Rochester, Westchester County. Westchester County. Boom. Okay, so New York. You're in like the White Plains, Armonk area. And so where's Rochester from there? No, I'm way like northeast from there. Yonkers. Yeah. Yeah, and I never went back. I'll be honest with you. I don't know. Like, there we go. Now we're finally starting to get this crap from Nas. It just had to happen at the next level. And so, if we can get this, like, this may be the area. This may be what we have to execute, y'all. What are we looking like as far as a fucking finally starting to get some type of support form. Finally, like it's been fucking an hour. It's been 10 minutes. 80-point stop loss. Make sure you guys just go lower risk today, okay? Please. We still have a 1 to 2 to lows. Yeah. We'll just give it some time. We're not going to take this break. We're waiting for some type of support to form, but make sure you guys lower your risk today, man. I'll get us into something. It's just going to be on my fucking terms. That's all. Queensbridge in the building. We got any Coloradans in here? What about Colorado in the building, bro? Everybody watches me from New York and fucking Florida and California, man. Where's all my home state people at? Where's my friends at, man? Where's all my friends, man? Emmett, would you like to move to New York? No. You guys are assholes, bro. Well, not you, Sky. You're not from there. But no, everybody there is fucking just rude, bro. Zen Lab would turn into just, aggressive lab or something. Hell no, I wouldn't move there. Too much hostility. Everybody thinks it's cute to walk around with a mean face and shit, Ain't nobody, we don't think that shit's cute, bro. Nobody opens up the doors. One of my best friends is from out there. He still lives here now. Fucking. I remember the first day, it was when I was still working at Roto-Rooter. We came out here, and somebody opened up the fucking door for him. He like looked at me when we walked in the store. He was like, "Bro, what, did you fucking just see that?" And I was like, "What?" He's like, "This person just opened up the door. What the fuck is wrong with people in Florida?" I was like, "What? Where the fuck are you from, bro?" Yeah, there is nice people around the world. They're just not in New York. And I wouldn't be nice either if prices of shit cost that much, bro. I wouldn't be nice either. Y'all get fucked out there. It's not even the cost of prices. It's what you guys get for the cost of prices, It's a fucking madhouse over there. Damn, bro, you from here? I'm from New Mexico, right up the road. Yeah. Yeah. You getting into NAS? Nah, bro. It's going to be on my terms. You should know this, Jaime. We're not about to be doing no, afternoon session. We want to fuck around a little bit. Cool. Nah, I'm full risk, bro. That's $3K per trade. I'm back to full risk this week. So if it's not on my terms, it just won't go. Sean from Pillar 45. Finally watching you live for the first time. Sheesh. Bro, I went live like fucking 10 sessions last week. You think about it? Monday, Tuesday, I think Wednesday too, morning and afternoon session. So that's 2, 4, 6 right there. And then for the rest of the week, I was hopping on morning session, afternoon session, and 350 candle with dollar. So that was like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 streams last week, man. If y'all didn't make money, last week was crazy, bro. But it looks like we're just in a recession. We're just watching the recession in front of our fucking eyes. No, I'm not in this trade. I'm sorry, guys. No, I'm not in this trade. I'm waiting for some type of support to form. My bad, G. Yeah, I don't have positions up unless I'm in them, so that's on me. My bad, Joe. MP 52 gang. What's up, Leo? How you doing, player? It's another beautiful day, man. Appreciate all y'all showing up. Make sure, Leo, stay clean. Make sure y'all like this stream and fucking subscribe, bro. And hop on when we on and shit, It's a whole vibe, man. For sure. It's a whole vibe. Coach, so basically if the market looks the same all 2 hours before session, there's no big move pre-session, right? Bro, you put too much mechanics into your trades, my brother. Just trade. I really don't look at all that shit. I could care less about all that shit, bro. If I see a mega move, it's like, oh, this may potentially happen for this day, but still doesn't, I don't give a, I'm still trading based off of the same structure I told you. Couple minutes before session open, mark out support resistance, that trade hits, boom, take it, done. What ended up happening here, we had close supports here. I was down to take the sell-off all day long. It was the only support that was close to where price is currently at, but it broke below before session open. It's all good. I mean, I know a lot of people are trying to take these sales and it's potentially playing out for them right now and shit, but more often than not, when I'm chasing some shit instead of allowing for system to play out, we get fucked, bro. And I'm good. I know we're probably 15 minutes away from hitting the dub. If the price is going down 7%, the market will pause for 15 minutes. Yeah, bro. Stop halt is coming. I mean, since fucking open, we've tanked 5, Sheesh, yo, that's crazy. Do you still trade GU, GJ, AU, EU, bro? Nah, bro, I don't. I do not, my brother. What you see up on the screen is what you get. NAS or US 30. They're too slow for me. I've upgraded, you know? I would still run through them for y'all and such, but nah, I don't, nah, bro. Any one candle structure and we end. I'm telling you, bro. I just want something to some degree. You know, we're starting to come down to grab London lows now, so this is what I want to see. Disgusting violation. Everybody and their mama is guaranteed that we're in a recession. We're selling off now. Such a good day to go against the norm. You know, it's such a good day to take a nice little liquid grab setup, even though it's a small little 300-point range to come back up to 37K. There we go. Now we're getting the grad. It's such a good day to go against everybody, bro. Y'all just give me time, man. Let everybody else FOMO into all this shit. We got to be smart, bro. We're dealing with a 300-point range on NAS. We're dealing with a 600-point range on US 30. I'm trying to get you guys in with a 100-point stop loss, bro. We got to be smart. It is what it is. Okay, we're still sitting at this daily support on Dow. Remember that. This is a serious zone. And no, we did not break past it. We're simply just sitting at it. This is an area of interest. So this area just signifies where we're going to get a reaction, but this specific box doesn't simply mean if we break beyond it, we can start going against it and such. I mean, we can use confluence of psychology levels, but it's still holding at this entire area. Nothing is broken through. I just want to make that clear. There we go, Nas. Let's go ahead and clean this up a little bit. There we go, Nas. Hopping onto YouTube. Yeah, look at that fucking push up, bro. I'm telling you, I expect such a mean push up. Let us get in, though. It doesn't matter what I tell you unless we get in. None of that shit matters. Give a fuck what I predict. We got to make money with it. Sold that gold dip. About to ride it up. Let's get it. Yep. We can't take the sell off here, by the way. If we break below lows on US 30. I'm sure a lot of you guys don't know why, but my students know why. That's for fucking sure. No break below these lows here. That's for damn sure. Don't lose money the way we make money. You know what time it is, my brother. It's the perfect way to put it. I'm cooking up breakfast right now. You know what it is? It's fucking pips. Got a whole plate. Can top sit accounts be used on a copy trader? Yeah, bro. It could be used on a third-party copy trader. Why not? I don't think they have one themselves, though. Like, Apex has their own copy trader, but they're a dog water fucking prop firm, so don't use them. Not as far as them not paying out and shit. Just really tough to get a payout with them. At least it was for me. I'm not good with trailing drawdown. I like to hold my trades higher to R to R, so just not a good environment for me to thrive in. Maybe good for others, just wasn't good for me. Love that fucking grab a lozo. Now let's go up and start to fill in the rest of this gap. So all now we're waiting for is new structural form. You got to think about it. We now have a mega new range, from here to here. This is our new impulsive leg. which is a yeah 550 point range. And so if we can get any type of kickback, whether it's from this moving average because we just broke out of this level, give us some type of structure to play with, bro. And then once we take a re-break back above those highs, now we're in alignment with our strategy, and we could feel a bit more comfortable risking in this fucking ridiculous environment right now. You know what I'm saying? This is what we would be looking to take, something like that, just on our terms. Ethan Palagonia. That name sounds so familiar. Yeah, I'm just kidding, bro. What's up, bro? Hop in. What up, player? Yo, EP is the dude who taught me everything I fucking know, y'all. If you want to know who taught me to trade, go follow that fucking guy. One of my favorite dudes ever. Hop on stream, bro. So give us some sauce. Appreciate you for popping in. What's good, EP? All right, cool. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Yo, EP, call me. Here, bro. I got you. Call me if you want to hop in, bro. Shoot the link. Let's go. All right, cool. Hold on. I'm about to send it to you in Telegram, bro. I got you. Be careful, ladies. We call him white chocolate. You're about to find out. You're about to find out why. I just sent it to you, bro. Let me grab some water. I'll be right back. We'll see you soon, white chocolate. No, I'll be on stream for like another 30. Do you want to go jet skiing, bro? For like 3 hours. Yeah, G. What time is your flight at? Okay, alright. I'll be on for like 30 and then I'll give you a call in a bit, alright? Alright, bro. This weather ain't it. What you talking about, bro? Here? Where we live? Yeah, it is. Oh, this weather ain't it. Oh, shit. Kevin, I just told one of my boys I want to go fucking go jet skiing, bro. This weather's not it, is it? Oh, this weather is hella not it. Wow. Can you tell me more why you didn't get in at the first break of the 16,650 level? Yeah, that's why I said it. Oh. Hot mic. You gotta warn me, bro. Alright, white chocolate is in the building.
Oh, what up, bro?
What's up, bro?
I like that nickname, White Chocolate.
White chocolate? Only if you fuck with the with my kind of people, bro. I only think you like white Mexican girls, so I don't know, dude. What's up, play? How you doing?
Chill, bro. No setups for me at all. Have you traded at all?
Nah, bro, you got me fucked up, bro. You see what type of range we're in? Like, do you see the pip counts of these
Oh, I
charts right
know.
now?
It's ridiculous.
It's
The
crazy.
volume is absurd.
Yo, everybody, welcome White Chocolate to the stream. Big Dubs in the towel. Put his face over here too. Big Dubs for White Chocolate. If
What up,
if we
guys?
get,
My name's White Chocolate.
I'll put him right like there. If we can get how many likes do we have right now? We'll do a giveaway sponsored by White Chocolate. We'll make White Chocolate pay it. Big Dubs in the chat. Make sure you guys like the stream. I'm gonna go see how many likes are right now. We got. Make sure you guys like the stream. I'm gonna go see how many likes are. We got 20 likes. Okay, if we can get up to 40 likes, which is gonna be pretty fucking tough because there's 64 people in there. How could you guys ever do that? We will do another giveaway on my group, and the only way you'll be able to be a part of it is if you're in my group. So we'll deal with that later. But we'll wait till we get to 40, and then we'll get to that point. I'm trying to make some bread, bro. So, what are you looking at, EP? Are you looking at anything crazy? I simply just think that this is fucking ungodly markets, and
Yeah.
now that we're starting to experience this whipsaw, if we don't get any type of like new structure to form here within the next like 15 minutes, might just have to wait till afternoon.
Yeah. Same thing for me. I don't really want to take buys for how bearish we are. Um, I mean, you could easily squeeze out a little 1 to 2 with this type of pip count, but I don't know. I'd prefer to just take shorts, and there's no short setup unless we break the lows.
I'm so fucking bullish right now, bro. I expect price to continue higher for this week and then to just continue on with the dump next week. But now that everybody's on the board of the recession and wanting to continue to sell off, I think we're going to correct most of this move and then just continue onwards. You know how the cycle goes, brother.
Yeah, I mean, the nice thing about breakout trading is that we're adapted to the market. If it's just printing bullish setups, then we're gonna take the bullish setups.
He said, "Do you guys have similar strategy or different, bro?" This guy right here is the number. This he is the reason why I gamble during PM session. This guy right fucking here, bro. Before I started going on PM session with you guys, me and him did it every fucking day together. So yes, we trade very similarly together. To go even deeper into how similar we trade, me and EP grew up into profitable trading together. I mean, we didn't do much of our like shit journey together, but once things started to connect and we started doing better for ourselves, when we started meeting and hopping on lives like every fucking day, bro. Me, him, and
Yeah,
Luca. White
we literally
chocolate, no
trade
limits,
together
all
every
day
day.
long, brother.
This was like before social media for us too. We
Yeah.
were just posted up.
Real, can you believe it's been like 5 years, nigga? 4 years, 4 years, it's been 4 years.
Yeah, that's crazy. Since the dollar lives.
Emmett, why can't I trade US 30 or NASDAQ on a demo account on MT5? Because you're better than demo, bro. You should be trading live. I'm not sure, bro. What do you mean, why can't you? Just as far as it's not allowing you to open it up, or what do you mean?
Probably has the wrong symbols.
Yeah, look at it go. We already talked about that. Yeah, it just needs to be on our terms, yo. So if we can get some type of reaction, if you guys want to look left hand side of the screen with Nas, if we can get some reaction to this trend line, great, and give me some structure to play off of, great. But if not, let it fucking go. Jaime, you know what's going on right now, bro. Straight down, straight up. What usually happens, bro? What usually happens from this point when we see exactly what's going on right now? What is it called and what happens?
Wait, what?
I'm one of my students. I want to see if he can answer.
Uh,
What are you doing
Got
today,
right
bro?
up to
Are
the
you
upside
coming
right
out
now.
here soon, bro? Everyone's visiting me but you, fam.
Dude, I'm down to pull up Tampa.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm down, especially before it gets like retarded hot.
Oh no, we're here. That's why I don't get why the fuck it's so cold today, because it's been like beaming hot. Yo,
Oh, it's
Kevin, do you
cold.
want to go jet skiing today, bro? Who cares if it rains, bro? Yes, sir. Whipsaw, walk away, and hit the gym. Man, I'm proud of y'all, bro. I fuck with y'all. I fuck with y'all. EP, you ever gonna trade a afternoon session with us?
I'm down. I don't think I. I don't think I have anything going on. I could hop on, do a little gambling.
Yo, I was on Denver. I'm an idiot. Yo, Kevin, I was on Denver. It's gonna be nice as fuck today, bro. What are you talking about? 50% chance of rain, 87%. Um, I was on Denver, bro. But I was like, why is it so cold today? The fuck?
Bro, Cali's been so nice. It's like 80 all day this week,
Cali?
which is
Yeah, I
nice.
bet.
It's been like 60s, so like finally having some warmth.
Bro says, shit, I want to go. Come to Miami. You know, I woke up this morning, bro. I looked at Luca's story, and I thought about calling him and be like, yo, I gotta come out there for a couple days because he's leaving on the 9th. But I don't want to drive, bro. It's like a 4 hour drive. I damn sure
Yeah,
don't want to fly for a day, you know? Okay. Oh. Yeah, fam. Anytime you want to come out, though, bro. We're also planning a cruise in June, like with all of us
really.
influencer guys, yeah, and some of my friends too, not just influencers.
Where to? Like just the Caribbean and stuff.
Bahamas and somewhere else. It's a carnival one.
Carnival ratchet as fuck.
Is it? See,
Yeah.
that's what I was told too. Nothing is set in stone, nigga. We can go somewhere else. I don't want to deal with no kids, bro. I just don't. I don't want to deal with kids. I hate kids.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, I don't know if Carnival even allows kids.
Oh yeah, then this is what I'm. This is what we're taught. Then we're good, bro. Get what we get then. G. I'm not deserving of jet skiing because I almost blew my life funded. Oh yeah, bro. I don't want to be hanging out with you. Yeah, if anybody's blowing accounts, bro, you got to keep that energy away from me. No kids on Carnival? Yeah, it's a done deal. What What would you rather choose? Ghetto Carnival or Kids Carnival or cruise? It's just fucking no brainer for me. Dollar's calling. Let me see what he wants. Hold on. Don't say anything crazy. I'm on stream. I'm on stream. I'm on stream. What's up, bro? Let's run it. All right, bye. I can't believe I was on mute that entire time. It was hilarious. We straight got the mute. No, y'all good, bro. We back. We back. Dollar's about to hop
Working
on.
like gatekeep.
What's good, my bro? I tried to at you on my journal, but you're not popping up. You probably what's your Discord, my brother? I got you right now, player. We got time, G. We got time. Dr. D in the building.
Dr. Diddler.
Dr. Diddler, bro. What? That's crazy.
Bro, what do you mean?
We got
crazy?
Dr. Diddler in the building here, y'all. Welcome,
Yes,
welcome,
sir.
welcome.
We
Does
got
in the chat
Dr.
for
Diddler
dollar
and
too?
white chocolate.
And we don't use baby oil.
Dollar and white chocolate and Zen Lab in the building. That's so fire, bro. I love that.
White chocolate.
All right, so what are we looking for? You really think that you're going to continue to sell off the market, bro?
No, bro, I caught sells right there, like at that break on Nas. At the bottom.
Right here.
That was my trade right there. Bloop.
Right here.
Yes, sir.
What a legend. It's beautiful.
But now I don't think it's enough, man.
So
We're
you
here to
took
pack
that
more.
before session then? Like you guys hopped on before session open?
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like 15 minutes before.
You're a G, bro.
Is I like to look at the markets a little bit before I get in anything.
Oh, it's Cass. What's up, player? Big body Cass in the building. I saw your fucking your story, bro. It's a beautiful car.
What do you get? What do you get?
He got a big body Mercedes. He got the Daniel car.
The S550? No way.
I think so.
Ooh. S550.
Damn, trading's hitting, huh? Hey, I think we should get in these buys, bro.
Bro, who's his coach, bro?
Oh yeah, my bad, G.
Come on, bro. Chill. All right, so yeah, this is all we're speaking of, just having some type of resistance form so we can take that push up. But bro, what size stop loss did you guys use?
I used a 30 point.
This nigga, bro. Get this guy off my stream, bro.
Why? Is a 30 point not good enough for you, buddy?
No, 30 points great. Look how big that stop loss is right there.
I know it's so tiny.
That's not tiny, that's huge, bro. If you think about it,
It's actually scary trading that way. I'm gonna be honest.
that's crazy.
That's that sniper egg entry.
Yeah, hey, we got the real gambler in this bitch. Yeah, for sure. I do want to take a break above these highs, bro, but you're not gonna enjoy the stop loss that I'm going to use.
Oh, that's 580. My bad.
That's 580. Yeah, put some respect, G. I made over 12K. What's going on with the markets? What's going on is
This is the funnest part about being a trader is when the whole market's like going downhill, like a complete recession. Everyone and their mom is losing like fucking all their 401ks and shit, and we're
we're
just
still
selling
buying.
the market to fucking fuck them over even more.
Is that something to be prideful about? I'm gonna go yes.
Yeah, dude. We worked for this shit.
Yeah.
So
They put their money in a 401k. That didn't work.
I'm about to execute these buys.
Yo, I know, dude. What's up? Are we taking this?
Yeah, it's just gonna be 100 point stop loss, so it's gonna be pretty scary, bro.
100?
Yeah,
Damn.
100, bro. What are you all trading? Are we on the same page here? Or are we trading different things today? Like,
Oh,
EP,
we
go put up 100 point stop loss, and tell me how crazy that shit looks to you.
I know it looks terrible.
No, it looks
Yeah.
normal.
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
You
We
guys don't
also,
have to know. This is what I'm here
bro,
to
but
do,
why
is
don't
to
you
know
trade
for you.
gold?
What's that?
You'd kill gold.
I mean, I kill everything, my brother.
That's what I'm saying. So why not
Oh,
fucking
I understand.
trade gold?
I think that I don't want to.
My whole entire chart's frozen. They're trying to fuck with me, bro, because they know I'm about to fucking.
Destroy them.
Yeah, exactly, bro. They're trying to manipulate me right now.
I'm getting
My
my
psychology.
positions ready here, y'all. So y'all get ready. It's just different fucking TPs and shit. You know, it's completely a different game here.
Bro needs to look at the first. Oh, so you were gonna trade gold today?
No, why do you say that?
It was in your poll.
Uh,
Still getting close.
but it lost though, so it's all good.
Yeah, everyone, let's get this poll up to fucking gold winning.
Yo, chill.
So he has no choice here.
Yo, EP, nice hoodie, bro. That shit's fresh as fuck. I love this color, bro. We got the same color.
Really? This is like my indoor. Like this is my like.
Yeah, so like a little bit of like poop color, you know?
This nigga said this is my
Because you guys are the
indoor hoodie
shit.
is crazy. What is your outdoor hoodie, bro?
And the other one. This one's just comfy, and I don't like the color, so I just wear it inside.
Yo, you want to know what my indoor hoodie is? No cap though. I'll show you.
Your Zen Lab one?
No, actually no. This fucking assholes. I've never brought it outside, so it can stay nice.
Oh my God, you're about to get a new one, brother. It's almost done. It'll be done on Tuesday.
Is it a collab one or is it just yours?
It's gonna be fire.
Like, I think that I deserve to have a collab hoodie at this point.
Okay, yeah, we can probably make it happen, but we're balling on a budget
All
here.
right, got you.
Yeah.
I got you. Bro needs to look at the first poll. What was the first poll? I already forgot, man.
They're so mean to me, bro. I just come on here trying to support my fucking boy, dude.
May just disrespect. Are you in a trade? No, we're about to get in these buys though, my brother. So pay attention here. Very, very quick.
Dude, I'm honestly scared of this trade just because I don't like stop loss, bro.
You don't like 100 point stop loss?
Like, just because it's not under anything, though.
Is it ever?
No,
Or
you're
mine
right.
never is. Mine never is. Yeah, yours.
Yeah,
We're
mine
very
never.
different. Mine is never under anything ever. It's a
You
set
just
stop.
spend it.
There's two ways that you can execute a stop loss, either a structure-based stop loss or a set stop loss. As volume traders, we just expect price to push to TPs very quick using volume, and so I don't feel the need to put stop loss underneath structure. If I had a stop loss underneath structure, my R to R would absolutely fucking tank, you know? Like, it would be really, really intense. And
Yeah, facts.
also,
And then you gotta be in trades for like fucking, God forbid, 10 minutes.
yeah, bro. Like that would kill me, brother. That's insane. Yo, look at the ATR. Like, I know you guys think I'm crazy when I fucking call a trade for 180 point stop loss and you guys call it 20 points. Like, it's just insane to me. We're so off with this today.
I think you're just being soft. I think you really want to do a 30.
Yo.
Yo, Emmett, I recommend adding the VWAP, bro. It's so
Come
fire for
on, bro.
Nas
We
and
ain't
news
fucking
trading.
be. Yo, we're about to get into these here.
Bruh. All right, just ignore me, dude.
Sorry.
Oh shit, are we in this?
Oh yeah. I have to create a
Yeah.
video real quick, so give me a
You're going
moment.
wait for closure.
Holy shit, bro. I'm up
Nah, we're in that bitch.
$1,900
We're in
in
that bitch.
fucking
We're in
literally
that bitch.
fucking seconds.
We're in that bitch. Why is my fucking
Let's
trading view
fucking
lagging? Oh,
go,
let's
baby.
go!
I'm up
TP1! Let's
32
fucking go!
Hold on.
Let's
All right,
go.
so we
I
just
just
took our
secured
first
some.
trade. I'm up 4 fucking K, bro, in literally seconds. I'm out of this bitch, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and close half.
I secured. Oh my god, what a massive trading day for me, bro. Let's fucking
Okay,
go, dude.
I'm gonna go ahead and close full. Holy fucking shit.
Dude, we called that shit.
Damn.
Oh my god, bro. All right, I'm
Yo,
closing
there
full.
is no fucking way right now, G. That is insane. That is the biggest trade I've had in a couple months here.
Dude, 300 points in fucking 1 minute. Who are we, dude?
Bro, let's put some respect on somebody's name, player.
Dude, you know why we won that trade, right, Emmett?
Why?
Because of the VWAP, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yo, Dubs in the fucking chat, bro.
Bro, nobody can
I'm
fuck
about
with
to
us.
not have a crazy video because I was fucking, my heart was going a little bit. It's the most money I've won in a fucking minute, but holy shit, dude. Look at this
This
fucking
is what we do. Oh shit, you
execution,
got
bro.
Brandon in here? Shout out to Brandon.
I think that
Shout
was
out
the
to Luca
first
No
time in
Limit.
like a couple months and my fucking heart was like, yo. I was like, fuck
Yo,
the
what a
stream, I need
sniper
to
exit,
close.
dude.
Holy shit.
This has to be fake.
Holy shit. Paid for the weekend, thanks, Dan. Laugh aloud, what just happened?
Bro, we just won, dude. We knew that was gonna happen. That's why we executed the position.
Yo, Dubs in the chat, bro. Big Dubs. And let me put this beautiful Instagram post up. And I want everybody putting Dubs in the chat, bro. Every last fucking person in here. Show me some love. Holy shit.
Yo, what is going on to the markets?
I don't know, bro. Who gives a fuck?
Oh my god, look at oil. Wow.
Wow.
Oh,
More
what the
Dubs,
fuck?
y'all. More Dubs.
Is this your
Fucking
second trade or your first trade of the
fucking
day?
insane,
Bro, why'd we
No,
close,
this is my
bro?
first trade of the day. A little soft, bro. We closed because we're a little soft. Just
Oh my
called a
god,
fucking
bro. Why can't we
400
just set and
point trade in
forget?
5 minutes. Out of this fucking world, Joe.
We should have
Really
set and
out of
forget
this
this trade.
fucking world. One control, 3 variable. Do you think it's smart to wait for BNR? Yeah, I told y'all though. This is one of the biggest trades I've ever called within a short period of time for sure. I mean, this is fucking history, bro. I wish I would have called Dow as well. It's up 1,000 points right now. We usually
Jeez.
risk 30 and it's up 1,000.
Oh my god, bro. This
That's
is
a whole
fucking
percent
nuts.
right there.
I usually would be
Wait, did
very
you take
upset that I
both?
closed, but I don't give a fuck what happens, bro. I'm like fucking on cloud 30 right now for sure.
Wait, did you take NQ or YM?
I took NQ, NQ,
Oh,
NQ,
okay,
NQ.
great. Yeah, me too. Great. Yo, holy shit, why'd we
I
close,
don't give a
bro?
fuck, bro. I really don't give a fuck.
I kind of give a fuck a little bit.
Ah,
This
okay,
would have
I'm
been
back
like
to normal life now.
$20,000 right
Beautiful,
here.
y'all. Who made money with me today? Let's hear it.
Let's go. But all right, thank you. I
Hey.
appreciate the trade. I'm out of here, man.
We love you, brother. You the man. Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Run up
Give
the
us,
likes, boys. Peace out, EP.
hold on. Give us
Later,
one
bro.
tip of
Enjoy.
advice, bro. We need a tip of advice before you leave.
Oh, tip of the day? Okay, hold up.
Yes.
I got you. Let me think really hard right now.
Full port,
Full
gamble.
board, gamble. Okay.
What else?
You have the mic.
All right. If you're a trader, you're actually a millionaire. It's just a matter of time. Run it up. Don't be a bitch. Execute when you need to. All right. Love you
Thank you.
guys.
Love you.
Peace.
Goodbye.
Hey, Steven made 1K on his 7K account. Good shit.
Sheesh. My first 1K? I knew I should have held. Who gives a fuck, bro? Full port, no stop losses. Yes, sir. Dub, dub, dub. Let me go back and read these messages, bro. Is anybody as excited as me right now? Why I didn't
Oh,
enter? All
Luca's
y'all
in
said
here.
was we in. Did buy. I had YouTube minimize and MT5 open my phone. Brother. Let's go, boys. I just caught oil. I actually like WAP, whatever. God, bro. Anyway, so one thing I will say is EP. Give
Yep.
us a tip of advice.
All right. Actual advice. Switch your trading to statistical based where it's fully
Yeah, facts.
numbers based. I think meaning like how me and Emma do a fixed stop loss numbers based. It's easier to collect data and then act off of that data compared to structural based because everyone identifies structure in a different way. Um, and then do that to your targets as well, like in terms of RR. Have a fixed RR, and then once your whole system is numbers based, it's really easy to collect data and then become really accurate with your data.
This me and this motherfucker are one and the same. You guys can tell. The most mechanical XYZ lines up, take trades ass motherfuckers ever, bro. I feel like I was just talking while he was saying that. Beautiful, brother. That's clean. All right, y'all. So, as always, when we're patient and we align with our system and we execute, more often than not, we're going to be correct. And this is no fucking difference today. We killed it. I've called probably the biggest trade I've called in my entire career, as far as teaching for you guys, which has been 5 years right now today, which is fucking lit. Like I'm on cloud 11 right now. It's awesome. Patience prevails. We didn't take all these initial moves that we wanted to take. I gave you guys my documentation as to what I believe was going to happen within the markets, and we executed based upon it. And holy fuck, it plays out. So, if you guys would like to take every last one of my trades outside of just the times that you're with me live, which is every other day. The link is down in the description. Is less than $2 a day. If you want to learn from me personally, the link is down in the description, and you can do that today. Book a call. You guys do have to qualify. Not everybody qualifies, as it is my actual time. It's not just my team, and so it is what it is. But outside of that, another fucking winning day, another day of giving you guys value and a ton of cash is what we fucking do. EP, thank you for showing up. I appreciate you, my brother. I
Thanks
hope you
for
hop on for
hosting me.
afternoon session with us today. And we
For
out this
sure.
bitch, y'all. We'll see you guys later. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Afternoon
Make
is going
sure
to
to
be
learn
at
from
2
ZenLab,
p.m.
guys.
What's that, bro?
I said make sure to learn from ZenLab or nobody else.
Yes,
And
sir.
then possibly white chocolate, but mainly
White
ZenLab.
chocolate, bro. White chocolate out, G. If you want to hop in, bro, we'll be here at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Goodbye, y'all. Peace.